Hello, welcome to the channel again. Today we're going to teach you how to take a dashboard out of a 1999 Toyota Starlet. Screw there, and screws on top of here. Take them out. Then in the driver's side footwell. In the driver's side footwell, you can get in, kind of. I thought I could anyway. And then if you see through there, where the stereo bit is, which is, I can't really point because I'm trying to get you in there. Alright. You can kind of see where the stereo is. That's the, where's the factory? Yeah, that's the factory, and then just above it is the stereo. Pretty sure right there where the wires are. Just push on that and then the whole dash should just come out. And there's the dash. Then once you get the dash out, you got to unconnect these. You just press that. They're a bit of a pain in the ass. You've got to press it down quite hard, and then it should come out. There you go. And then you got the dash. Obviously then you've just got the CD player connectors in, and then whatever that thing is there. When you pull it out, these might fall out. You want to make sure you put them back in, because that's where them holes fix into. So if you look all the way around, you've got all these. Let's then stop it going through. It's also got it on the sides. You've got to push them back in and then unconnect the wires from the back, and then unconnect this, and you should be able to just push it through the actual dash. And then to take this out, there's literally a screw right inside there, and then I'm pretty sure there's probably one around this side, but I'm not going to take this out because it's just going to be a pain in the ass to get back in. But there's a screw definitely there, and I'm pretty sure there's one this side. And then obviously you just put the dash back in. You just put it back in the same way as you did, and then make sure these are in right. Obviously this one isn't in, but make sure they're in right, because otherwise you won't be able to fix it back in, and your dash will be flapping around when you're driving. So with these, if you want to take these out to spray this, which I'm going to do, you have to, there's two little things here that you have to push in. So the best way I could find is get a screwdriver for this side, and then somehow do that, and hold that, and then push that one in, and then you also get someone else to push it through, so you need two people, and then there you go. They're the same on every single one, so yeah, there you go.